Welcome to our channel. How to set up TP-Link Deco X95 mesh system. Unbox and plug only the main unit first. Don't power all of them up at once. Just connect the first Deco. The app setup goes smoother if it only sees one device at the start. Use the Deco app, skip the web interface. The app is way easier. The web UI is just a long process for a new user. Just grab the app, sign in, and follow the steps. Disable your old router before you start. If your ISP gave you a router modem combo, either put it in bridge mode or disable its Wi-Fi. If you don't, you'll end up with double NAT glitches and random connection drops. Ethernet backhaul connection. If you can, run Ethernet between your decos. Wired backhaul turns the mesh into basically a giant access point setup. No signal loss, no drama. Wireless only works, but wired is way better. Don't stick them in corners. Mesh never works fine in corners, metal, and microwaves. Put nodes out in the open, about halfway between dead spots. Think line of sight more than closest outlet. Give your network a fresh SSID. Don't reuse the same name and password from your old Wi-Fi. Sometimes devices get confused and cling to the old router settings. Just bite the bullet and rename it. Yes, you'll have to re-add your nodes. Check for firmware updates right away. The app will usually nag you. Just do it. Half the weird bug posts on forums are because people skipped updates. Turn off the guest network unless you actually need it. It's neat for visitors, but it also adds more clutter if you're not using it. I just keep mine off until family comes over. Test coverage with your phone before locking placement. Walk around with Wi-Fi analyzer apps or just stream YouTube while pacing the house. If it buffers, move the node. Repeat until coverage feels solid. It's trial and error. Thank you for watching.